Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and I spend all day working with creators who are completely overwhelmed by the mountain of raw footage sitting on their hard drives. If you are producing podcasts, lectures, or interviews, you already know that the grind of turning those hours of content into something watchable is incredibly draining. You spend half your day hunting for that one perfect laugh or a brilliant quote, and the other half worrying about whether your reach is vanishing because you can't post consistently. That is exactly why I want to introduce you to Vizard, not as a sales pitch, but as a genuine solution for creators who need to reclaim their time. Think of Vizard as that tech-savvy friend who automates the boring stuff, turning long-form videos into viral clips while handling the scheduling headache for you. It goes way beyond a basic trim and export tool. It actually analyzes your footage to find the moments that will genuinely resonate with your audience. And the best part is that it preserves your authentic voice, ensuring your personality doesn't get lost in some robotic, over-edited transition. Let's walk through a real-life scenario. Imagine you have just wrapped up a 90-minute podcast recording session. There is a golden 30-second exchange around the 42-minute mark where someone drops a wild, engaging anecdote that is perfect for social media. Vizard automatically hunts down those high-value moments by looking at speech patterns, audience attention cues, and potential engagement metrics. Once it finds those gems, it instantly packages them into ready-to-post clips, complete with captions and optimized aspect ratios for platforms like TikTok or Reels. The real magic for busy creators is the auto-schedule feature, which removes the need to manually upload and set reminders for every single post. You simply tell Vizard how often you want to post, set your preferred time windows, and it manages the rest of the workflow seamlessly in the background. This allows you to maintain a rock-solid posting schedule even when you are balancing a side hustle, a channel, and a full-time job. The content calendar feature is a complete game changer because it acts as a central hub for everything you need to manage your channel. Instead of wading through messy folders and spreadsheets, you get one single place to preview, drag and drop, and polish your clips across every platform. It truly functions like an assistant who knows social media strategy inside and out, and the best part is it never needs to take a coffee break. I know you are wondering how this stacks up against other tools, but many of the alternatives are just glorified trimmers that force you to do all the heavy lifting. Some promise AI but end up delivering robotic, lifeless edits, or they slap watermarks on your content unless you pay an absurd premium. Other platforms are single-purpose, great at editing but lacking in scheduling, or geared toward giant enterprise studios with massive budgets. Vizard cuts through all that friction, providing an affordable, user-friendly experience that works whether you are a solo podcaster or a small media team. The platform is built to preserve the speaker's original tone and intent, never morphing personalities or creating fake sound effects just for the sake of it. Let me share a quick example of a friend who runs a weekly show and used to spend nearly 8 hours just editing for social media clips. With Vizard, they upload their raw file in the morning, scan the AI suggestions in the afternoon, and have a week of content scheduled before dinner. Their engagement doubled in just a few weeks simply because they were finally able to prioritize consistency over searching for perfection. Even marketing departments are using the collaboration features to assign tasks, leave comments, and approve content without drowning in email chains. For the tech-inclined, Vizard offers a smooth workflow where you can upload via their web app or integrate through an API if you have a custom pipeline. It avoids overproducing your clips, maintaining the natural speech cadence and context so your content doesn't feel disjointed when shared. Now, to be completely transparent, no AI is perfect, and you might occasionally need to train it on your specific style with a little bit of feedback. If you have extremely niche requirements or need complex multi-camera edits, you might still want a human touch for that final polish. But for the vast majority of creators, Vizard handles about 80 to 90% of the heavy lifting, saving you an incredible amount of time. Pricing is also accessible, which means you won't face that enterprise-level sticker shock unless you are actually scaling like a massive network. Think of it this way. Compared to the cost of a full-time editor, Vizard acts as a perpetual content machine that amortizes your costs significantly. When you start a session, the AI analyzes your long-form video in the background, giving you suggestions sorted by predicted virality in just a few minutes. You get full control to tweak the text overlays, refine the captions, and choose exactly which clips make the cut before they hit your calendar. And the best part is that it doesn't force you into one creative lane, so you can easily create 15-second memes or longer educational clips simultaneously. It truly respects your brand's integrity, ensuring that while it enhances your workflow, it never fabricates context or changes what you actually said. If you are ready to stop spending your weekends hunting for the perfect clip and start focusing on your creative strategy, this is the tool for you. Just try it with one episode, let the AI work its magic, and see how much faster you can get your content out into the world. Most creators I know get hooked after just 1 month because it finally gives them the breathing room to be creative again. So, if you want a walkthrough tailored to your specific niche, whether it's gaming, education, or podcasts, hit me up and let's get you set up. We can sketch out a step-by-step plan that fills your content calendar for the entire month in under an hour, with absolutely no hard sell. Sound good? Let's get to work.